Well, this is a prize in true Nobel spirit, for you might call the AlphaFold AI model an invention.
And co-founded DeepMind with one mission: solve intelligence.
We can cure all disease with the help of AI.
How do proteins fold up? How do proteins go from a string of amino acids?
We can now really predict functions of protein space.
It's a very intense time in the field. We obviously want all of the brilliant things these AI systems can do, come up with new cures for diseases.
Proteins play countless roles throughout the biological world. Some transport nutrients throughout the body. Some help chemical reactions to happen at faster rates. Others build the structures that make up living things. Despite this wide range of functions, all proteins are made out of the same 21 building blocks, called amino acids. Amino acids are made of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen atoms, and some contain sulfur.
Scientists spent nearly 60 years trying to solve the shape of a single protein. Why is it so brutally hard? There are three main ways to find a protein structure. First, X-ray crystallography. You convert the protein into a crystal, then blast it with X-rays. But here's the catch. Getting a protein to crystallize is a nightmare. Many proteins simply refuse to form crystals, especially membrane proteins. Second, NMR spectroscopy. The protein stays in liquid solution, and a magnetic field studies how its atoms behave. No crystal needed, but it only works on small proteins. For larger ones, the signal becomes too complex to decode. Third, cryo-EM. You freeze the protein and image it with an electron microscope. It's newer, but resolution can still be a limiting factor. The result? Solving just one protein structure could take months, sometimes even years. So how did one person and him team change it all? Meet Demis Hassabis, a 4-year-old kid who used to beat adults at chess. Today, he's solved one of biology's biggest puzzles, one scientist couldn't crack for 50 years. Born on July 27, 1976 in London, Demis Hassabis grew up in a family with no scientists at all. His father was Greek Cypriot, a singer-songwriter. His mother, Chinese Singaporean, worked in a department store.
When Demis was 4, he first showed an aptitude for chess. By the time he was 6, he became London under-8 champion.
My parents were very interesting and unusual, actually. I'd probably describe them as quite bohemian. My father was a singer-songwriter when he was younger, and Bob Dylan was his hero.
By 13, he was representing England in international chess tournaments, reaching master level, one of the strongest players for his age in the country. Chess taught him one thing early: deep strategic thinking, calculating outcomes several moves ahead. Alongside chess, Demis had a passion for coding. At just 17, he designed and programmed an award-winning video game called
about evil genius. Now, when everybody thinks of evil geniuses, they think of,
Yeah.
This game isn't out yet.
No.
Tell me about the gameplay.
Basically, the gameplay involves you playing the part of an evil genius. So you have your own tropical island. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. And you get to build your own kind of lair there. And then what you're ultimately trying to do is build a doomsday device. And then threaten the world with it. And then so that they bend to your will. So we started DeepMind in 2010, which is hard to imagine now because 2010, it's only 12 short years ago, but nobody was talking about AI. I don't know if you remember back to your MIT days, no one was talking about it. I did a postdoc at MIT back around then, and it was sort of thought of as well, look, we know AI doesn't work. We tried this hard in the 90s at places like MIT, yes. Mostly using logic systems and old-fashioned.
In 2014, Google acquired DeepMind, and in 2016, the world witnessed his first big miracle, AlphaGo.
AlphaGo is one significant step towards that ultimate goal
The Go world were skeptical about how strong really was AlphaGo and how much further did it need to get to beat the top professionals. So our program is improving over time, and we want to push the AI algorithm to the limit and see how far this kind of self-improving process can go.
An AI that defeated the world's best Go player, a game experts believed a computer could never win because its possible moves outnumber a human's ability to calculate. But for Demis, this was only the beginning. Since 1972, scientists had been wrestling with one question. Can we predict a protein's shape just from its amino acid sequence? This became known as the protein folding problem, one of biology's greatest grand challenges. Because behind every disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, or any genetic disorder, lies a protein whose structure needs to be understood. But in a lab, figuring out just one protein's shape could take years. In 2020, Demis's team launched AlphaFold 2, an AI model that could predict protein structures in minutes with near experimental accuracy.
AlphaFold represents a huge leap forward that I hope will really accelerate drug discovery and help us to better understand disease.
So we created this AlphaFold database, which is 200 million structures of almost all known proteins.
So how is it that AlphaFold knows how a large molecule wants to fold?
Again,
it's got to know that in some way.
It's learned this from a few 100,000 examples. So biochemists over the last 50 years, they've been working out these protein structures by hand. They've been literally synthesizing protein, crystallizing it, then shooting X-rays at this to look at the electron scattering. And people have been doing that.
That's your way to photograph what the shape of the molecule is.
That's your way to photograph it in reality.
With that kind of, it's basically an electron microscope at that level.
Yeah, similar. It's like electron scattering. Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And so people have been doing that for the last 50 years and depositing these structures. And now we've taken all of that data and trained a neural network to go just from the input of what is this molecule description to try and predict.
Today, AlphaFold has mapped the structure of almost every known protein, over 200 million of them. For this breakthrough, Demis Hassabis and his colleague John Jumper were awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. AlphaFold isn't just a scientific achievement, it's a tool that researchers across the world are using for free. Developing new antibiotics, understanding rare genetic diseases, designing cancer drugs, even creating climate-resistant crops. AlphaFold is accelerating all of it. Work that once took a scientist their entire career now happens in days. In simple terms, Demis Hassabis did for biology what Google did for information. Instant access. From a chess-loving kid to a Nobel laureate scientist, Demis Hassabis' journey teaches us that curiosity has no fixed field. Today, his mission is to use AI to solve the world's biggest problems. And maybe this is just the beginning.
10 years and billions of dollars to design just one drug. We can maybe reduce that down from years to maybe months or maybe even weeks, which sounds incredible today, but that's also what people used to think about protein structures. It would revolutionize human health, and I think one day maybe we can cure all disease with the help of AI.